Hey all, today we are going to see festive collection pattu sarees in Kuppadam pattu and Pochampalli pattu sarees as well. So festival is gonna be in next 1 week. So whoever wants to buy this pattu sarees in coming week, it can be dispatched before the festival itself. So now which I am going to show are Kuppadam pattu sarees. Okay. Yeah, this I have already posted but I have not done live. So this is the reference image which I'm going to show the sarees. This already you should be aware of the sarees which I have shown. So these are the nice pure Kuppadam pattu sarees. The price range is 2950 only. Okay, I'll start showing the colors. In this I have given codes for the sarees. Code 1 identi. Okay, I'll tell you the code of this saree as well. So this is in the peach orange color with the violet color combination. The code of this is 822. Okay, I'm not showing it in a serial number. So this is 822. So this is the border you will be getting. Okay, nice golden zari border. This is the peach orange with the violet color pattu border. Okay, this is how you get. So this is the full look of the saree, how you will be getting. The price of this is 2950. This is the body of the saree, how it looks. This is nice soft pattu. This Kuppadam is not a rough one. This is a very soft Kuppadam. So with this you will be getting zari buttas like this. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 2950. This is the blouse. Blouse you will be getting in Kalneta pattern. So the shiny pattern blouse you will be getting. Violet with the gold shine. Pattuko. So this is the saree and this is the blouse. Blouse comes with the 4 inches gold zari border. Okay, this is how it looks. Peach orange with violet color combination. This is how it looks on a single pleat. This is the pallu. Pallu will be in gold, full gold zari weaving. Okay, this is in the peach orange with the violet color combination. This is how it looks on a single pleat. And the price of this is 2950. Okay, peach with violet color combination. This is saree number 1. Code is 822 for this. Next.
A19.
This is A19, A19. So this is also a Kalneta green color. Green with the pink color combination. How pretty is this? On one, this you will get pattu border on one side. So this is the pattu border you will be getting. On other side you will be having the shiny kind of raw silk kind of pattern. The same one, the orange saree which I wore. Yeah, this is how it looks. Kalneta green with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The blouse. Blouse you will get in the pink color. So this is the blouse. This is a nice shiny border. For the blouse you will be getting the zari border to the hands. Okay, this is how it looks. Kalneta green. This is from near you can see Kalneta green color with the gold shade and the nice big pink border. Okay, on single plate it looks more good. This is how it looks. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. Okay, the price of this is also 2950. This is how it looks. Green with the pink color combination. This is A19.
8.
8. This is A8. This is color. Dark magenta brown with the violet color combination. Draksha. Wine color. This is wine color pattu with the violet color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Yeah, on full image this is like this. Wine color with the violet color combination. Yeah, see how pretty is this. When you drape it, when this big border comes on the shoulder, it looks very good, or on the single pleat also it looks very good. Okay, this is the blouse you will be getting. Violet color blouse with nice big border. So that big border it comes to the hands for you. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is violet color. This is in the grape wine color with the violet color combination. Grape wine with the violet color combination. Okay, this is the pallu layering coating. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. I'll come closer. This is grape wine with the violet color combination. Okay, yeah, this is A8. This is A8. Code is A8. Okay, next.
4.
This is A4. So then in the video, in original it looks more good and more rich as well. Okay, yeah, this is like a light mustard yellow with the purple color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Light mustard yellow with the purple color combination, and you will be getting a purple blouse with the border here. Okay, this is how it looks. Mustard yellow with the violet color combination in golden zari. Okay, you can have a closer view. So this is the blouse with the golden zari you'll be getting. You'll get the blouse like this, and the sari. Okay, you'll get the sari in this pattern. Okay, on single pleat it looks like this. On double pleat, if you don't want to show this, you can cover it like this, so this comes on the shoulder. Okay, the code is A4. This is how it looks. Mustard yellow with the violet color combination. Next is red with violet color combination. A3, yeah. So the code is A3. Wow. So this is red with the violet color combination. The blouse you will be getting it in the violet color, again with the zari border like this. So in the same kind of saris you will get it 5,000 or in other places. So just our price is just 2,950 only with free shipping. Okay, this is how it looks. Red, nice bright red with the violet color combination. Red and violet is always a hot cake. So this is how it looks. Red with the violet color combination sari. I'll show again. So this is the body, how you get. Full checks with nice mango butta you'll be getting. So this is the border of the sari with the peacock and the flowers in the violet color. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay, red with the violet color combination. So this is how the sari. Already we have sold almost most of the stock. Just that I did not do a live show on this. I'm doing. So we have got very good, in fact, great reviews for this saris. In the best price, you will be getting pure Kuppadam Pattu sari. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is A3, red with violet, code A3. Next. A7, huh? Okay, the code of this is A7, violet with the pink color combination. Huh? Violet with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The blouse you will be getting it in the Rani pink with nice big border peacock. Okay, this is how it looks. Violet with the pink color combination. Okay, we'll see. On single pleat, yeah. On single pleat it looks like this. Okay, nice bright violet color with the pink color. On both the sides you will be having the zari. Okay, this is how it looks. Pallu is again in the same pattern. This is the pallu. Nice full gold zari weaving pallu you will be getting. Okay, this is the pallu. And this is how it looks sari. A7. Code is A7. I have limited stock in all the codes. So just whoever want to buy, they can take a screenshot and they can message immediately. Okay, this is how it looks. This is A7.
A1.
So this is A1. Radium kind of green. This is radium green with the pink color combination. This is also very bright color combination. Okay, radium green with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice pink color blouse you will be getting with the radium green color sari. The body of the sari completely in radium green. This is a very nice bright, rich bright color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. full Kanjivaram kind of pattu style you'll be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 2950. This is the pallu. 2950 is with shipping. Okay, this is the pallu you'll be getting. This is how it looks on single plate. Blouse already I showed you. So yeah, this is how it looks. Green with the pink color combination. This is A1 code.
A6.
Okay. Okay. This is our A22 single piece. Code ఏంటిది?
A6.
తర్వాత మాట్లాడదామా? This is A6. Yeah, this is peach orange, the same kind of orange in the violet color combination. Okay, this is the violet blouse you'll be getting with the zari border. This is how it looks. Okay, yes, A6. The code of this is A6. This is a light, a subtle color of peach orange with the violet color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Pallu. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Nice peach orange with the violet color combination. Okay, this is the pallu. This is how you'll be getting. A6 color. This is bottle. This is bottle green with the pink color combination. Nice rich. It's almost like equivalent to black. Bottle green with pink color. The bottle green most of the people like in pattu sarees. Bottle green with the pink zari border, with the pink blouse and zari border to the hands. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, bottle green with pink color combination. You can have a closer look as well. Yeah, this is how it looks. Bottle green with pink. The price is 2950. This is how it looks. Nice rich bottle green pattu. When you drape it, it looks very good and it's very soft as well. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Price is 2950. This is the final look of the saree. Nice. So this is A2. Yeah. This is A2. This is the same one which I wore in the photograph, the reference image which I have shown you. So this is the same as that piece. This is A2, orange with the pink color combination. The pink shiny mesmerized blouse you'll be getting with the border. Okay, this is how it looks. Is phone is it? A photo show with them. Yeah, this is the pink blouse. You'll be getting pink blouse with the border like this. So when you drape it, the cloth, the sari cloth is very smooth. The sari cloth is very smooth and it stays on the skin as well. So yeah, this is the same sari which I am wearing now. Okay, this is the same sari. Okay, this is the same one. You can find the photograph on the profile as well. Nice, nice, not very bright. It's a nice orange color, pattu orange with the pink color combination. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu you're getting. Blouse I have shown you already. Nice subtle orange color with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it is.
17. 17.
A17. This is emerald green with the pink color combination. This is emerald green with pink. Very nice, very pretty. This is nice emerald green color, new shade of green. Emerald green with the pink color combination. This is the pink blouse, and for the blouse you will be getting the border here. Okay, this is how it looks. That is the blouse. So this is nice emerald green with the pink color combination. This is how it looks. Okay, very nice. Nice green shade it is. This is the blouse. Sorry, this is the pallu you'll be getting. Full zari weaving pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. emerald green with the pink color combination. Okay, the price of this is also 2950. You can have a closer look. Yeah, this is how it looks. Next.
10.
Huh?
10.
10. Into pink. This is Rani pink with the violet color combination. No, A10 na? This is A10, Rani pink with the violet color combination. We have the near shades. This shade we have already shown you, the similar kind of shade it is. Okay, this is a nice Rani pink with the violet color combination. This zari is also not like complete gold zari. It is an antique kind of zari is given. So it is like, it looks very good on the, it is showing very good on the skin. It's not like complete full gold zari. This is antique kind of gold zari. If you see that, you can see that shine. Okay, for the border, it looks very rich, guys. Like for the party wear itself, in just for 3000 or 2950 price, you are getting a nice party wear pattu sari. Okay, so this is the blouse. This is the blouse you'll be getting for this. Pink with the blue color combination. Okay, this is how it is.
A10.
This is A10. The code is A10. Okay, next.
11.
The dark emerald green. This is also dark or you know, the light bottle green color combination. This is the original color. Dark, light bottle green color with the pink color combination. Okay. This is the blouse you will be getting. So yeah, this is how it looks. Light bottle green with the pink color combination. This is the full view. Okay, this is how it looks. The body is in the light bottle green. The border, the same kind of golden zari that I have told before. Okay, this is how it looks. Very pretty, right? Light bottle green with nice pink zari border. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Full pink zari weaving pallu. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is A11 kada. This is A11. Next, A4. This is A4.
14.
A14. So this is A14. This is also violet color. The same one, same kind of shade that we have seen A7 as well. This is A14. Nice bright violet color with the pink color combination. This is the blouse you will be getting. Blouse is also in the pink color with the gold color combination. Okay, this is the blouse and this is the far view. Yeah, so yes, this is how it looks. Violet with the pink color combination. Can have a closer look. Most of the people likes violet or you know dark dark violet blue with the pink color combination. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Pochampalli sarees. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the sari. So with this Kuppadam Pattu sarees I have completed. Next I'll be showing some Pochampalli sarees as well. So this video is like completely about that, you know, festive sarees or Pongal is nearby. So whoever wants to buy festive sarees, they can buy these sarees for the festival, for Pongal and for Sankranti to wear. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. So the price of this is also 2950. Okay. So yeah. Now I am going to show you some Pochampalli Pattu sarees, Ikat pure silk Pattu sarees. I have two ranges. One is 5800, another one is 7800. Okay, I'll show you the sarees. So this is the first one, the green with red color combination. You'll be having a red blouse like this. The okay. Yeah. This is the body on the border of the saree you'll be getting. Nice bright parrot green with the red color combination. In the diamonds, in the border you'll be getting the diamonds design, and in the body you'll be having this ikat arrow design in the red color border. Okay, yeah, this is the saree how it looks. This is the saree how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting it in the diamond design. So this pictures already I have posted, but I have not done live so far on this. So I have only limited collection of sarees that are left. So the price of this is 5,800. Better. So this is the red pattu blouse you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 5,800. Okay, green with the red color combination. This is how it looks. This is 5,800. Next we have one more piece in 5,800 range. This is beige with the brown color combination. Though it doesn't look more good in the photos, maybe, I don't know, but in real it is very good. In the video you can see nice beige with the brown color combination. This is dark chocolate or magenta brown kind of color. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Beige with the brown color combination. Blouse better. See, blouse is also in the brown color. How pretty it is. Beige with the brown color combination. People who like light colors, maybe they can try this color combination. I'll show you the border how it is. So this is the border. Nice chocolate brown or the magenta brown color with the diamonds, with the diamond design, and in the on top of that you will be having a zari kind of border you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice beige with the brown color combination. Okay, the price of this is also 5,800. Okay, this is how it looks. Pallu you will be getting in the zigzag pattern. This is the pallu you will be getting. Pallu is in the zigzag pattern. So these are like pure ikat silk. So in the first category this is. So yeah, the price of this is 5,800. Next saree. So the next, this particular design is like very famous. The price of this is 7,800. So the next category of pure ikat pattu sarees. Okay, this is nice parrot green with the pink color combination. So this is the border you will be getting. So this is the border you will be getting in the pink color with the parrots design and the zigzag design. So on the body you will be getting the flower design like this all over the body. To see the saree, it is like this with nice big border. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the blouse. Blouse is also in the pink color. Okay, this is how it looks. Saree with the blouse. Okay, patko. You put the pleats, it's like this. So this is a very famous design. Most of the people you would have seen for marriage functions or any big functions, people wear this kind of sarees. You might have seen a lot of photographs on Instagram as well. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. So this is the pallu. This is pure ikat or pochampalli pattu sarees. Okay, yes, this is how it looks. The price of this is 7,800. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is the saree and this is the pallu. Next is in the very beautiful and bright color, bright yellow with the blue color combination. So this is the border you will be getting. It's a very big border as well. So all these are like mesmerized or dual colors that I am showing. The before one which I shown also, that is a bright green which will have a shade of red as well. Kalneta colors these are. So this is not normally bright orange. The body of the saree, it looks like this, and in the border, this is the border. Nice pretty blue color flower with zigzag design. This is the Pochampalli Pattu border. So this style with the dots and all. On this is a zari border. You can see the shine on the border, blue color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The blouse also you'll get it in the blue color. Yellow ne kanipiyatledu asalu. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Yellow with the blue color. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the blue color. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks. In middle you can get the yellow one, and the border is in the blue color. Okay, or you can wear it on a single plate like this. See how beautiful the pallu is. Pallu is in this swastik kind of flowers. Pallu you'll be having. So this is the pallu. This is the sari, and so this is the sari on single plate. If you wear it, will be like this. Okay, this is how it looks. Yellow with the blue color combination. Inga mooda, nalaga. 30 minutes ka ayipoli, ingo 5 minutes lo. So this is a very pretty one. This is the finest quality of fall which I am showing. This originally it costs 8,500 to 9,000, but just to put it in the range, I am giving it at the same price. It's 7,800 itself. So okay, yeah, this is how it looks. One second, Ago. I'll show you the border. So on the black border, this is cream with the black color combination. It's a very decent color combination as well. Okay, this is how it looks. Black with some pink temple kind of thing on the flowers. On the body, you'll be having small cute buttas, white and pink. So on single plate, it looks like this. This is on the single plate. And the pallu is in this Pochampalli design. Pochampalli colors on the black side. Black color background. So this is the pallu. On single plate, it looks like this. Okay. On the other side, you'll be having a golden zari blouse. So you'll be having a nice plain black color. Yeah, this is how it looks. It is a very decent. Some of the people like light colors. They say subtle colors are always beautiful. Means like they'll have a very royal look. Bright colors are also beautiful, but some of the ladies, you know, they like light colors. They feel that they look decent. So this is one of the pick. That is what I'm saying. Yeah, this is how it looks. Beige with the black color combination. See the border. The border is very beautiful. When you put it like this on the steps, this completely comes on your shoulder, and when it reflects on your face, it looks absolutely beautiful. So this is the pallu. Okay, yeah. The price is 7,800. So this is also a Kalneta green color. So see, you can see the shine on the body. So that shine is because of the two colors. So that is called dual colors. Dual colors pattern you will be having. Green with the pink color combination. So this is the border. This border is also the most sold in the ikat designs. This is a peacock border, very big border you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. The blouse is again in the pink color. Nice bright Rani pink color you can see. Okay, this is how it looks. So the border, you'll have a very big border here in the ikat saree. So this is one of the most famous one. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 7,800. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Yes, this is how it is when you drape it. So the body, you'll have this butta, flower butta on the saree. On when you drape it, it looks like this. Very beautiful, right? So this peacock border, this peacock border completely comes on this shoulder part, and it looks like this. So this is also dual color or that Kalneta color. So the pallu I'll be showing. Pallu will be in the complete ikat design. The Pochampalli ikat design you'll be having the pallu. So this is the pallu with the big, very big border. Okay, this is how it looks. Pink with the green color combination. The price is 7,800. Next, you got two, one now. So this is in the nice bright dark, very bright red color with the ink blue color combination. Okay. For this also you'll have a very beautiful border. So this parrot design is just a symbol of this ikat design. So this is like pure ikat weavings. These are not imitation sarees. So pure ikat weaving sarees. So bright red Red also I'll show. So this is the red with the butta you will be having. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice bright red with the blue color combination blouse you will be getting. So this is also antique zari which I have shown, gold with the silver mixed zari weaving. Okay, this is how it looks. Patko. On single pleat if you wear it will be like this. Very pretty one. Okay. Pallu also very pretty. Pallu is more pretty than anything else. So this is the pallu with the lines in the blue color and in the golden zari at the bottom part. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay. Red with the ink blue color combination. Blue and ink. Okay, this is how it looks. You need to tie in a way that this peacocks comes absolutely on the shoulder part. So it looks very beautiful that way. So this is how it looks. Red with the blue color combination. Pure ikat Pochampalli silk saris. Pochampalli pattu saris. Oh, both are same, Pochampalli pattu and Pochampalli ikat. So this is how it looks. The price of this is 7,800. So yeah, the last one of this so we have one more. So this is in the yellow and the pink color combination. See how bright it is. Nice bright yellow. So the green color that I have shown, the same kind of parrot color, parrot design on the border of the saree. The same one as that of the green one. Full design is also same. Okay. This is the blouse you will be getting, yellow with the pink color. So particularly yellow and the pink color combination, and that too particularly in this design with the yellow and pink color in Pochampalli pattu saris. This is pretty famous. You can Google anywhere yellow pink pattu saris on Google. You'll definitely find this saree, I'm sure, because even I found it. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yellow with the pink color combination. So this should absolutely come on this like this. So how beautiful it is. Nice yellow with the pink color combination. Okay. Yeah. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. So the weaving pattern itself tells that it is a original pattu saree. Okay, this is how it looks, yellow with the pink color combination. Okay, the price is 7,800. So this is the last saree for this video. Okay, nice purple blue or violet blue with pink color combination, magenta pink color combination. So again the same border with a different peacock. You'll be getting two peacocks coming like this. So this is the border on nice golden tissue kind of background. Okay, this is how it looks. Ink blue, violet blue with the magenta pink color combination. On single plate it looks like this. So the blouse is again in the magenta pink color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Blue, very nice, no? Purple blue with the light magenta pink color combination. This way. So yeah, this is how it looks. See, you can, if you are wearing on a single pleat, you can just fold it like this. You can put a pin beneath here so it will not move. So you can just, whenever you are walking, or you can just put it like this. So this particular design will be highlighted whenever you are moving your hand. Yeah, this is how it looks. The pallu is in the Pochampalli design. Pallu looks like this. So this is the pallu you will be getting. The price of this is also 7,800. So this is the last one in the video. The border I have shown you. So the butta on the saree, this is the butta on the saree. Hope this is clear. So it will be like this when you put the pleats. Okay, yes, with this we are ending this video. So whoever wants to buy, they can take a screenshot of the product that you wanted to buy, and you can message me. So please try to buy soon, because the festival is nearby, so that we can dispatch you on time. Wish you all a very happy Pongal and very happy New Year. Thank you.